สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. I would like to show you the Dyson Fan. We have it since 2019. My husband got this because in summer that time was very hot, which he could not handle anymore and put it in the bedroom. This is a regular fan. I normally use it in my messy room that you just see behind me in the beginning. And then this one, the Dyson fan, I really like the design. I don't remember the model of it, and I don't know how much does it cost. It can produce the cold air and the warm air, and also the remote control, which is I did not learn how to use it yet. I really impressed because I don't know how the air come out because it doesn't have the leaf. I don't know what that is called for turning as the regular fan, but it can produce at the front and at the back. It is very cool fan. I see a Thai woman in Thailand. She has the same style of this fan but bigger. I think double. And I don't know if it is the fan, just the fan, or the same thing, but I think maybe the same thing. But in Thailand the weather is hot, so doesn't need warm air. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.